So we're out here at Spokes today. We're gonna do a little braking drill. I think the course for racing is gonna be a little bit more open next week. So what we're gonna try to do is come down this road behind me wide open, and when you hit that first boot, that's when you gotta start your braking, and then you gotta complete the turn by the second boot. We didn't have any cones, so we're just using boots. All right, let's do it. All right, I heard Ricky Carmichael say on his podcast, or maybe it was the broadcast like SMX, but he said stay on the throttle as long as you can. He actually said stay wide open as long as you can. That's what this drill we're working on today is all about. We're working on stopping the bike so we can complete a corner. All right, I gotta try second gear because third gear, no way I was stopping. I'm gonna try second and then maybe move the boot back, but we're supposed to be moving the boot closer. That's the drill here. Stalled it. That was better, but I stalled it. Maybe I flooded it, I don't know. All right, I gotta figure this out without stalling, but John's got it down. Let me do it out of the way. All right, that was second gear pinned, and I gave myself a little bit more room by moving the boot out, and I got it. I feel like that last pass was pretty good by both of us, but what we're gonna do now is move the boot a little closer. We're getting a little bit more aggressive on that front brake. And also going down into second gear seems to help slow the bike down as well. Couldn't see the boot, there's so much dust, but I think I got it. What's that?
Good drive coming out of the corner for sure.
Yeah, I feel like I got good traction, and the front's not going to slip at all.
Yeah, you got on the gas right before the camera and you're going out the roost the whole way.
Should have gotten that on camera.
This seems easier than it was further.
I don't know, maybe we're not going as fast.
I'm still 10 to 30. Let's go no more.
You're probably getting harder on the brake.
Yeah, because I'm getting off the brake before I come into the turn.
fun, but it was hard. So we have to get better at braking. We did move that boot farther back at first because it was just too close. We were having trouble stopping. For me, stopping in third gear, probably, I'm only guessing here, it was probably like 8,000 RPMs. I can do that. But if I'm in third gear pinned and I let it get all the way up to like 12,000 RPMs, oh my goodness, I cannot stop the bike in that short of a distance. Even just like, so your wrist is all the way down here, even just rolling it up to grab. I mean, I guess I have the front brake covered already, but yeah, I'll have to think about that. Even just releasing the throttle, rolling the wrist takes like a split second, and you're going that fast, you're already traveling 20 feet. So anyway, I just need to practice that more and get more comfortable at braking and be able to brake quicker, or in a smaller amount going into corners, so that I can stay on the throttle longer, and then ultimately I want to be able to carry more roll speed through the corners. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun content like this. We got a race next Sunday. It's the first race of the series, TX2. So we'll see you guys out in Lometa, Texas, and we'll be out there and we'll do a race vlog for that. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you.